Hello and welcome to this video tutorial showing Teamsite 16.6 Smart Content Summary feature. Using Magellan Content Analytics, Teamsite 16.6 can provide the web author a mechanism to summarize long-form content with just few clicks. Let's start by importing a document to our asset resources. Once successfully imported, I'm going to tag it. Tagging is not a part of this feature, but it will help Teamsite to find and suggest the relevant assets as part of content automation. Select Tag from the ellipsis menu, select the document, and click Tag. Notice that Keywords and Summary gets populated in a few seconds. Assign a title, then save and close. Click on Sites, Open, and select the page on which you would like to include summary of this document. Then click Edit. Now let's add a component. Select Assets and notice the available items within the suggested content. The recently imported document is one of them. If you would like to limit the suggested content to only documents, then select Resources on the left-hand side. Select the document. Notice a Smart Summary and click Create. Give it a title. You can change summary length to percentage. Note, as you change this percentage, you can see the word count of the summary change. Edit the wording if you like. Add a link to URL if desired. Give it a label and click OK. Click Review to see the resulting page. When the summary was added to the page, it created a summary content item. Click on Assets, Content Items, then Summary. Verify the content item exists, which can now be used on other pages. As you can see, Teamsite 16.6 can create auto-generated content summaries of long contents with only few clicks, increasing the web author productivity.